check whether the Plogger is burnt, you first open this Plogger box, and then we're going to look into where the Plogger is. It's good to note that there are two circuits in the Plogger box. The first circuit is a circuit that comes from both the two terminals and goes into the Plogger, and then there's a relay here that is normally either most times you find a blue most square thing over here as the relay, and then power comes from this, goes to the switch, and now the switch is where you switch on and off. For checking the power is between 1 and 2, the big red, that is 1 and 2. You measure that and you're going to see 50. Now you're checking the power that is coming out of, because you have connected now 120 watts. When you're now checking out what is going out is between 3 and 4. So when you see as the voltage coming out, so meaning the relay is working okay and just taking the voltage out. And the second one is we have the coming down. The second circuit is from the lower terminal, that is the lower terminal. That's why you must never connect more voltage, that is more than 80 watts to the lower terminal, because that circuit comes to this Plogger that powers the Plogger, that you can see that it's on, and that's why it can now send information using the SIM card. You check between the voltage with your voltmeter between terminal 1 and terminal 5. That is how you check whether the power is coming into the Plogger. So with that, when you measure, the terminal 1 is black and terminal 5 is red, and with that you're able to see 38 volts. That is one that is the two panels, that is 40 watts, 40 watts. The total voltage is open circuit voltage 38. In case that is not happening and you're going to observe if the Plogger burns up, there are two places that you observe a burn. Most of the time is between this voltage regulator and this voltage regulator right here, these two. You're going to observe a small, and also this other voltage regulator. So you're just going to see like a small spot that is black, like a dot. This one sometimes they get burnt up completely, but you see a small dot or a small dot, and that will make this one not be working completely. So you're not going to see voltage between 3 and 4 here. So when you measure, so if that is the case and the Plogger is not working, now you have to loop these between terminal 2 and 4. That one, when you combine the two, that's the voltage, the live coming in and the live going out. When you loop that, then you have eliminated the Plogger in the equation, so that will make the motor run and the Plogger is not working because it is burnt. Now the first alternative is just having a wire between here and here, or otherwise there is another different option whereby you just cut this lose these wires, and after losing these wires you'll notice there is this 2 that is here is the big red that comes from the top number 2 is the top wire that comes from the connector on the 40 watt connector up here. So the 4 comes in and goes into this filter that is right here, that is terminal A, B and C. So you can just simply loop this, just you unscrew this with a small screwdriver. When you unscrew this, and then you remove that one, and then you unscrew the number 2 from here, and you get that one out, and then now you just connect it to where you just connect it right here, and when you screw that one into position like that, now you have looped between 2 and 4. When you have looped the Plogger, and probably it was a case of a burnt up Plogger, you have observed a burn here, or here, there are chances that the burn may continue, because the Plogger receives power from 1 and 5. So if the number 5 remains on the Plogger, probably it would further up continue the burning. To avoid that burn, you just remove the number 5, further burning. You just remove number 5 from the Plogger, and when that one is out, then you can insulate it. You can either cut it and insulate it from a lower distance, or insulate it from up here for neater display or neater working in the Plogger. So that is it.